But I'm not even hungry. Cravings are not weaknesses, they're signals. Saba GEM is designed to support those signals, supporting appetite regulation, metabolic balance, gut health, and steady energy. Built as a daily system. Designed to work with your body, not against it. For consistency, for balance, for the moments that matter. Built to support how your body actually works. When the food noise settles, everything changes. Experience total control without losing yourself. Saba GEM. Start your daily system today.